If your generator is running rough, here are the top 3 most probable causes. The residue that results from old fuel being left in the tank can create a restriction in the carburetor. This is why you should always use fresh fuel when filling the tank, and a fuel stabilizer to help maintain the quality of the fuel. You can try cleaning the carburetor with carburetor cleaner to eliminate the clog. If cleaning is not effective, you can often purchase a carburetor repair kit to replace some of the components, or install a new carburetor altogether. Old or bad fuel can also create a clog in the fuel filter, which can cause the generator to run rough. We recommend replacing the filter with a new one. Due to carbon buildup and a weakened electrode, the spark plug will degrade over time, which may cause the generator to run rough. You should inspect the spark plug for damage or wear. You can also use an ignition tester to help determine if the spark plug is defective. As a general guideline, we recommend replacing the spark plug once a year. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your generator.